Have you ever wondered how plants absorb water and nutrients? Well, that's where the magic of plant roots comes into play. They are more than just strands burrowing into the ground. They are the plant's lifeline, the unsung heroes of the botanical world. Imagine roots as the plant's personal chef and butler, absorbing essential nutrients and water from the soil, serving it up to the rest of the plant. But that's not all. They're also the plant's anchor, securing it firmly in place, preventing it from toppling over with the wind or washing away with the rain. And that's still not the end of their job description. Roots also work as the plant's pantry, storing food for the lean times. They truly are the multitaskers of the plant world, silently working away beneath the surface. Understanding the structure and function of roots can give us a deeper appreciation of these remarkable life forms. So, let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of plant roots. Roots aren't just simple structures. They are divided into three main regions. Now, let's dive deeper into these regions and unveil their unique roles in plant growth. First off, we have the root cap. This is like the helmet of the root, protecting it as it burrows through the soil. The root cap is continually being worn away as the root pushes through the soil, but no worries, new cells are continuously produced to replace the lost ones. This region also aids in gravity perception in plants, guiding them to grow downwards into the soil. Next up is the region of cell division, also known as the meristematic region. Picture this as the birthplace of new cells. In this region, cells are rapidly dividing, creating new cells for the root's growth. This is the engine of the root's growth, constantly churning out new cells to replace those shed by the root cap. The third region is the region of elongation. Here, the newly formed cells from the region of cell division undergo rapid elongation, resulting in the growth of the root. This is the area where the magic happens. The cells increase in size, pushing the root cap forward and allowing the root to penetrate deeper into the soil. But why do these regions matter? Well, they work together like a well-oiled machine. The root cap navigates and protects, the region of cell division produces new cells, and the region of elongation makes the root grow. All of these happen simultaneously, ensuring the plant's continuous growth and survival. It's fascinating, isn't it? How something as seemingly simple as a root has such a complex structure and function. It's these intricate details that remind us of the wonders of nature and the beauty of life's processes. So, the next time you see a plant, remember that beneath the soil, there's a world of activity, with each root region playing its part. Each region plays a critical role in a plant's survival and growth. Starting at the very tip of the root, we find the root cap. This might seem like an insignificant part of the root, but don't be fooled by its size. The root cap plays an integral role in the survival and growth of the plant. Picture a helmet. Just as a helmet protects your head, the root cap shields the delicate, growing tip of the root. It faces the brunt of the soil's abrasive forces as the root pushes through the ground. The root cap cells are constantly being worn away and replaced, showing their resilience and adaptability. But protection isn't the only function of the root cap. It's also the root's outpost, sensing the direction of gravity. This allows the root to grow downwards, a phenomenon known as geotropism. No GPS needed here, the root caps got it covered. Now, let's delve a little deeper into the structure of the root cap. It's composed of several layers of cells filled with starch grains. These cells are continuously produced by a region called the meristem, located just behind the root cap. As the outer cells encounter the rough soil, they slough off, making room for new ones. There's another fascinating aspect of the root cap we need to talk about. The secretion of mucilage. Yes, it's as slimy as it sounds. This mucilage is a polysaccharide-rich substance that lubricates the root, easing its passage through the soil. Think of it as a natural digging tool, helping the root navigate the complex world beneath the surface. Additionally, this mucilage also absorbs water and nutrients, aiding the root in its primary function. It's like a multitasking superhero, juggling protection, direction, lubrication, and absorption. All this from something that's often overlooked when we think of roots. So, the next time you see a plant, remember that beneath the surface, there's a whole world of activity going on. And right at the forefront is the root cap, leading the charge in the plant's quest for survival and growth. The root cap may be small, but its role is crucial for the root to grow properly. Moving up from the root cap, we come to the region of cell division and the region of elongation. This is where the magic happens, folks. Imagine a bustling factory producing and shaping raw materials ready to be dispatched. That's what these regions are to the root. The region of cell division, also known as the meristematic region, is like the heart of a factory. This is where new cells are produced at a rapid rate. These cells are small, with large nuclei, the control center of the cell. They don't have much in the way of vacuoles, storage spaces in cells, because they're young and fresh, not yet specialized for any specific function. Now, these new cells are like raw materials coming out of the production line. They need to be shaped, molded, and prepared for their ultimate purpose. Enter stage, the region of elongation. Here, these young cells start to grow, increasing in length dramatically. They also begin to differentiate or specialize, taking on unique roles in the life of the plant. Some might become part of the root's vascular system, transporting water and nutrients. Others could develop into protective tissues, safeguarding the root from harm. This process of elongation is crucial. It's what allows the root to penetrate deeper into the soil. Like a drill burrowing into the ground, the root pushes down, reaching for the water and nutrients it needs to survive and flourish. The cells in the region of elongation are like the drill bits, extending and pushing the root cap forward. But this isn't a one-person show. The region of cell division and the region of elongation work together in harmony. The production and shaping of new cells is a continuous, synchronized dance, ensuring that the root continues to grow, adapt, and support the plant in its quest for survival. So, the next time you see a plant, remember the hard work happening beneath the surface. The region of cell division and the region of elongation are the unsung heroes, tirelessly working to ensure that the root continues to grow and support the plant. Now that we understand the basic structure of roots, let's explore how roots can adapt and change based on the environment. Roots are more than just anchors for plants. They are versatile tools of survival. The root system can modify itself to meet the unique needs of a plant, whether it's storage, support, or even breathing. So let's delve into the world of root modifications. First off, we have storage roots. These are roots that have evolved to store nutrients and water. They bulk up, becoming thick and fleshy to accommodate the extra resources. Think of a carrot or a sweet potato. These are not just tasty vegetables. They are brilliant examples of storage roots. Next, let's talk about prop roots. In certain plants like the banyan tree, roots grow directly from the stem or trunk above ground level. These roots eventually reach the ground and penetrate it, providing additional support to the plant. This fascinating adaptation allows these plants to grow in places with shallow soil where other plants might struggle to take hold. Onto aerial roots, which are truly a marvel of nature's ingenuity. These roots grow above the ground and can absorb moisture and nutrients directly from the air. They are common in plants that grow in waterlogged soils or in the branches of other trees. Orchids and mangroves are classic examples of plants with aerial roots. Lastly, we have climbing roots. Some plants, like ivy, produce specialized roots that help them cling to walls, trees, or any other support they can find. These roots literally allow the plant to rise above its competition to reach sunlight. So you see, plant roots are not just about taking in water and nutrients from the soil. They are a testament to the remarkable adaptability of plants, enabling them to survive and flourish in a wide range of environments. Roots are more than just life support for a plant. They are a testament to the plant's ability to adapt and thrive in various environments. So, we've taken a journey from the tip of the root to its various modifications. We've explored the intricate world that lies beneath the surface, where the roots form the foundation of a plant's life. The roots, with their regions and modifications, are the unsung heroes in the life of a plant. They not only anchor the plant firmly to the ground, but also play a crucial role in absorbing water and nutrients, storing food, and even adapting to different environments. Each region, from the root cap to the region of cell division and elongation, has its own unique contribution to make. The modifications, too, are nature's ingenious ways of helping plants survive and thrive in various conditions. So, the next time you look at a plant, think about the complex and fascinating world of roots that are at work beneath the surface. Next time you see a plant, remember that beneath the surface, there's a complex and fascinating world of roots at work.